Hi guys, this is Coach Job. So right now we are doing drills to improve our footwork. Siyempre before that, stability and mobility warm up na tayo, pero hindi ko na pinakita sa video. So ayan, so right now goal ko dyan is to improve my footwork. So hindi tayo gumagamit ng upper body dyan, mo on lower body lang. So yan. So usually I do that for about 5 to 15 minutes. There you go. So ayan, consistent lang tayo. So yeah, more footwork lang talaga. So yung mga slip and duck ko, weaving, shifting ng foot. So yan, tinitrain ko yan. So siyempre, para mag-improve ang ating muscle memory sa ating footwork, kailangan natin paulit-ulit gawin yan everyday as much as possible. So ayan. So medyo paulit-ulit lang naman yung ginagawa ko dyan. So lateral movement, switching ng feet, weaving. So pinapractice ko rin na medyo nakaangat dapat ang ating kamay. Ayan. So yan, forward movement and reverse movement, and sabay weave, then change of footwork. So done na tayo sa ating footwork. Yan. So next one is my favorite, the heavy bag. So for the heavy bag, usually I do heavy bag for about actually 30 to at least 45 minutes, mga 3 times a week. So technically dyan naman, tinitrain ko is more of combination siya actually. So more of combination, weaving, body shots, combination ng body shots plus hooks sa ulo. So ayan. So more on jab, upper. Pina-practice ko din yung aking lead hook kasi sobrang pangit ko mag-lead hook. So kailangan ko i-improve talaga rin yan. Medyo may injury kasi tayo sa shoulders. So kaya tingin ko doon nagkakaproblema while doing the lead hooks. Pero siyempre in time, ma-improve din natin yan to proper mobility and stability, and siyempre of course stretches. And siyempre release. Yan, technically yan of combinations lang, pinag-aaralan ko lang. Isip kong meron tayong kalaban. Yan, so tumumpa natin camera. So next one would be farmer's walk. So goal natin yan is siyempre technically to improve leg endurance, grip endurance, overall core endurance, technically overall body performance tong farmer's walk. Actually, sobrang sakit na ng aking forearm dyan. Grabe. Yung weight pala ng kettlebell is 20 kilo each hand. So, total of 40 kilo. Grabe yan. Sobrang sakit na ng forearm ko dyan. As you can see. Aray-aray talaga ako dyan, guys. Yan. So, ginawa ko siya actually for 4 sets. Then, 3 na balik. So pagod na talaga at sobrang sakit ng forearm ko dyan. And next one would be single leg kettlebell deadlift. So target natin dyan is more of nakafocus tayo dyan sa hamstring. So ginawa ko actually yan for 4 sets pa din. Naglaro ang rep range ko dyan ng 12 to 15 repetitions. So yan, left and right. So 4 sets each. So pinakita ko lang naman is 1 set na sa ating video. Ayan, done. So next one would be our power bag cleans with squats na hinaluan ko rin ng deadlift. So isang deadlift, then after ko mag deadlift, magpa-power bag clean ako with squats. And so actually ginawa ko siya ng 4 sets din. naglaro ang rep range ko dyan ng 6 to 10. So medyo nahirapan talaga rin ako dito kasi medyo hingal na rin ako gawa ng nagboxing pa ako. And pagod rin ang aking legs dyan. Pero siyempre kailangan, goal niyan is to improve our overall body performance din naman. Lahat yan makakatulong sa ating performance. So medyo pagod na rin talaga. Exhale pag tayo galing squat. Yan. So after that, nag-kettlebell swing tayo. So technically target dito is yung posterior chain muscles, yan hamstring, glutes, calf, lower back. So technically ginawa ko rin yan 4 sets. Rep range ko dyan is around, naglaro ako dyan ng 20 to 30 repetitions. Pero dyan ang pinakita ko ata sa video is around 20 repetitions lang. So one set lang ng video ang pinakita ko. And exhale pag squeeze ng glutes. Yan. Exhale through your mouth. Exhale. 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 Then squeeze ang glutes. Exhale. Yan. Yan. Make sure na mag-hip hinge kayo, guys. So next would be the wall ball throws. So ito, sobrang pagod na ako dyan. So ginawa ko rin yun ng 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps ang naglaro ng rep range ko dyan. So grabe pagod dyan. Exhale. Exhale through your mouth. Then exhale. Ganyan. Yan lang ang proper breathing ko. Exhale. Exhale. Yan. Sobrang pagod na ako dyan, guys. Target ko dyan is mainly cardio and quads. Yan. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.